Ablazeify presents How to Build Peak Team Performance with Productive Conflict. When you hear the word conflict, what comes to mind? Endless arguments? Hurt feelings? A team divided? Most people avoid conflict because they think it's toxic. But here's the truth: avoiding conflict is often more damaging than conflict itself. Teams that never challenge each other settle for mediocrity. But teams that learn how to have productive conflict, where disagreements fuel better ideas, reach peak performance. So the question isn't, how do we eliminate conflict? The question is, how do we use it to make our teams stronger? Welcome to Ablazeify, where we turn everyday leadership challenges into opportunities for growth. Today, we're going to flip the script on conflict and show you how it can actually unlock your team's best performance. Here are 7 strategies to help you build peak team performance by making conflict work for you, not against you. 1. Redefine conflict as collaboration. The first step is mindset. Conflict isn't a battle to win, it's a discussion to understand. When your team sees disagreements as opportunities to explore ideas, tension becomes energy instead of friction. 2. Set ground rules for respectful debate. Productive conflict doesn't mean shouting matches. Establish boundaries, no personal attacks, listen before responding, and focus on ideas, not personalities. These rules turn heated moments into constructive ones. 3. Encourage diverse perspectives. The best teams don't all think the same. Different viewpoints lead to stronger solutions. Ask quieter voices to share. Actively seek input from people with different backgrounds or expertise. Diversity of thought often sparks the best breakthroughs. 4. Model healthy disagreement as a leader. If you always pretend to agree with your team, they'll do the same. Show them it's okay to disagree respectfully. Challenge ideas, ask tough questions, and demonstrate curiosity instead of defensiveness.
In one of my earlier teams, conflict was seen as negative. Everyone nodded along in meetings, but the real complaints happened behind closed doors. Productivity suffered. Then we had a new manager who encouraged us to openly debate in meetings. At first, it was awkward, but over time, we realized our ideas were stronger because they were tested. Now, conflict isn't something we avoid, it's how we grow. Our performance has doubled since then.
5. Train your team to argue ideas, not egos. Remind people, we're attacking the problem, not each other. Encourage phrases like, I see it differently because, or can we explore another angle? This language shifts the focus from personal clashes to collective problem solving. 6. Use conflict to clarify priorities. Disagreements often reveal hidden issues. Unclear goals, competing priorities, or misaligned values. Instead of ignoring the tension, dig deeper. Ask, what does this disagreement reveal about what really matters to us? Conflict can point you straight to the core challenges that need solving. 7. Turn conflict into action. Don't let debates linger. Summarize key points, agree on next steps, and assign responsibilities. Conflict without closure drains energy. Conflict followed by clear action drives momentum.
I once worked on a project where conflict nearly tore us apart. People had different visions and we kept clashing. Our leader stepped in and said, let's lay everything on the table and argue it out, but respectfully. It was intense, but it was the first time we all felt heard. By the end, we had a shared vision we believed in. That project became one of the most successful launches we'd ever done. Looking back, the conflict was the turning point.
Now imagine leading a team where disagreements don't cause division, they create innovation. Where people don't stay silent out of fear, but speak boldly because they know their voices matter. That's what productive conflict makes possible: trust, creativity, and peak performance. So here's your challenge: in your next team discussion, encourage open debate. Thank people for challenging ideas. And instead of smoothing over disagreements too quickly, ask, what can this conflict teach us? If this message inspired you, share it with a leader who needs to reframe how they see conflict. And for more strategies on leadership, growth, and building thriving teams, subscribe to Ablazify and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and drop a comment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.